What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm gonna make this one short and simple. The throttle body we're throwing in today, we are doing, we got a new tune, we got a control arm going in, and we got some new wheels. And these wheels, we got some plans for them, but stay tuned to figure out how I got these wheels. And here we go. Check it out. Check it out. This dude's piecing back to Philly. So these wheels are pretty severely curb rashed, but we're gonna take care of them. I already got my buddy. He's gonna fix them up for me real nice. So I'm gonna bring them out to him next week. But for now, let's clean these things up a little bit. Guys, so we're on our way to Mexico right now. Got to do a data log for Dizzy tuning. Ooh, that's a nasty curb. I ordered the bundle from Dizzy Tuning. It comes with the stage 1, 2, and eventually when I want to go E30. So we're gonna see we're gonna see how those go. I'm gonna let you guys know how they go. I didn't get the tune back from him, but we got to do the data log to send to him first. Basically, I got to do a pull from 2500 to 6500, fourth gear, wide open throttle. All right, we're coming up now. All right, we're in fourth, 2500, logging. Here we go. Alright, so we got the access port all plugged in. This is what the logs look like when you can actually view them. The different sections that we're looking at, that I guess he goes in and just, you know, adjusts these numbers and whatnot. A bunch of different gauges, ignition correction, cylinders, and load, ignition timing. Next we're gonna send this out, and I guess wait till he sends it back, and then I guess we'll go from there. So it's the next day. We got the tunes sent back and loading them all up. So now we're going to install it on the car and see what it's tune with the burbles. That's the other sounds. Also guys, this is a 3-inch catback and stock downpipe.
Ready?
Yeah. Here's another. And on the way to the Ford dealer, let's get this control arm. Alright guys, so we just pulled the car in the driveway as you saw. We're gonna get this control arm on. We got a messed up bushing. I think is this bushing right here. This one on the very end. So I think the best way just to get the whole new control arm is like $100. So we're gonna throw this control arm in. So check it out. First time doing a project like this in the garage. There we go. Let's see how this goes. Alright guys, I think it's actually working, which is a miracle. That this thing isn't. Let's see. I'd be speaking too soon. Oh, come on. I think I need a hammer. Nothing is simple, huh? We'll see. I think we can get it. Just a little bit more of a maneuvering process. Let's keep working at this. There it is, guys. Heck yeah. Just had to get up top of it, hammer it down with an extension. This is how you know if a ball joint's bad. It should not be like a video game joystick. Got it lined up finally, and it should slip right in. We'll get that. All the bolts are in. One more to do. Alright, it's all on, bolted up, and check it out. So it shouldn't feel like my wheel is all rattly when I go over bumps now. Let's throw this wheel back on. Alright, so that's the end of this video, guys. I got the wheel all on and everything's buttoned up. So stay tuned for the next video. We got a lot of things going on with this car. A lot of stuff's getting done. So come back for the next video, and you can see this car kind of get buttoned up. So we're getting a lot of things finished, and you just wait. See you in the next one.